Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be writing about our museum label. We're going to choose a picture from our Sorting Fossils graphic organizer. You can choose any of these pictures. The first column says fossils preserved in sap, a fly, a beetle, fossils preserved in tar. This is a picture of bones from La Brea tar pit, and body fossils, a shark's tooth, and saber-toothed tiger. Today, I am going to model with the saber-toothed tiger. So you can choose any one of these, but you are not choosing the saber-toothed tiger because that is what I will be modeling with today. So let's take a look at the criteria for our museum display label. We must include what is in the picture, include 2 or 3 facts about the type of fossil and how it was formed, and use words from the word wall, like fossil and preserved. So I chose the saber-toothed tiger. So now let's check off the first bullet point. I need to state what is in the picture. So what do we see in the picture? You are right, we see a saber-toothed tiger. So I'm going to write the fossil I chose is the saber-toothed tiger. Now I'm using this as a checklist, so I am going to check that off because I know I just stated what is in the picture. So I'm going to give that a check. Now I need to include 2 or 3 facts about the type of fossil and how it was formed. So I'm going to say one fact I know is that this is a body fossil. We know that because it says it on the graphic organizer. It's under the column body fossil. So I can include that as a fact. And look, I'm getting this information straight from the graphic organizer. The one fact I know is that this is a body fossil. What else do we know? Well, we know that the whole body is here, right? The whole body is here. So it must have been preserved in a whole body. So another fact is that the whole body is preserved. And when a whole body is preserved, there's ways that that can happen. It can either be trapped in sap, it can be trapped in tar, or it could be chilled. So I think that this fossil was formed by being covered in ice and snow. So I can check off here that I wrote 2 facts. Now I need to say, how is it formed? So I can say this fossil was formed by being covered by snow and ice. Now let's look at the last bullet point. Did I include words from my word wall like fossil and preserved? I definitely have the word fossil here. Do I have the word preserved? Yes, I do. I have the word preserved. So you boys and girls are going to choose your own fossil and write information about it. Use this criteria as a checklist to make sure that you are including all the details that you are supposed to include. Make sure you're always starting with a capital letter and ending with a period. State what is in the picture. Include 2 or 3 facts about the fossil and how it was formed, and make sure you're including some vocabulary like fossil and preserve.